It's your girl Donnell. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Fabletics VIP membership.
I've been pushing work all summer.
So I went on to Facebook and I found other women like myself who were just researching and just asking questions about Fabletics and how the VIP membership works. And I was able to have a lot of questions answered from that. So I hope this video is helpful. Let's dive on. The leggings 2 for $24 continuously for VIP or just for the first month. So once you become the VIP, once you become a VIP member, they're trying to figure out, is it just for that month or can I get this all the time? And here's Fabletics' response. Hi, the 2 for $24 leggings VIP welcome offer. So hint, hint, VIP welcome offer. Discount is valid for one-time use only and is applied at checkout through VIP. If you need any help, please let us know. So the biggest problem, the biggest question I noticed was this person wrote, I love the leggings. I just don't want to have to join a membership plan because I don't buy leggings every month and it would be a wasted money for me. And that makes sense. So this is the response from Fabletics. The VIP membership is optional and free. You can also order anytime you want online. You can shop as a guest, which is retail price, or as a VIP and get into the VIP offer when you become a VIP. Saying, guys, is that their membership, and I think it's pretty flexible. That VIP membership, if you do not shop by the 5th of every month, they will charge your credit card a $49, and I want to make sure I'm correct, a $49.95 fee. So let's make sure we understand that if you do not shop by the 5th of every month, they will charge you a $49.95 fee on your credit card. Now, if you decide that one month that, oh my gosh, I don't need any leggings, I don't want to shop with them, what you can do is you can just stop it for that month, which puts a freeze on it. Your membership is still intact and they will not charge you the $49. For the people like myself who procrastinate, who will wait for the very last minute to order, or like myself who will forget about the membership and will not order, you will be charged $49.95, yes, and for that month you'll be charged. And what they're gonna do is they're gonna apply that to your credit for future purchases. Now I know what you're thinking, okay, that's good, that's gonna be for future purchases. Just a regular old folk who wanna shop as a guest, you pay $84.95, but a perk of being the member, you pay $54.95. So hey, that $49 that they just charge you and they're giving you a credit, that doesn't even buy one pair of leggings. That does not, because the leggings that I liked was for $54.95, and I pretty much chose the least expensive one. So that's something that you really want to think about. Now, every month you can go ahead and put your account on hold just before the 5th. Just do that if you decide. And like they say, they will not charge you for being a VIP member unless you forget to order at the 5th of the month. So this is something that you're keen on doing. Just remember to place your order before the 5th, or if you don't, put a hold on your account so they do not charge you $49.95 before that 5th. Now, as far as shipping is concerned, shipping is free once your order is $49.95 and over, but if it's not, they have a standard shipping fee of $4.95, and that is within the USA. They are all over the world, or quite a few places, so I'm not sure how much it's gonna be if you're trying to ship someplace else, but if you're in the US, a flat fee of $4.95, and it's for free once the order is $49.95. You can shop on the Fabletics website without being a VIP member. You can shop as a guest. So if you want to shop, you can go through guest checkout. That guest checkout, guys, it is so expensive. The prices are super crazy. I went through it and I thought the prices were outrageous if you're gonna do that guest checkout. your deal. If you love the line and you love the clothing and you wanna shop, the best choice would be for you to be a VIP member and just put a hold on your account every month, and when you're ready to shop, you shop. I'm really curious as to see, they say that if you want to, they have this flexible membership that they do not lock you in, and whenever you feel the need to cancel, you can, and there's no fee. So that seems very fair, that whenever you want to cancel, it's very flexible. You can just call them up and they'll cancel you out of your membership. That is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna give it a try and see how easy that number is, because you know, a lot of times you get into a program and they tell you, oh, it's gonna be easy to cancel out once they give you your credit card, and then you try to phone them or you try to email them and nobody picks up. So I'm gonna call their number right now and see how simple it is for them to pick up or how quickly they pick up. And this is the number that's on their page. I did a little bit of history. Let's see.
Hello. Thank you for calling Fabletics. Calls are recorded. How can I assist you today?
Customer service rep.
I'd be happy to help you with a billing inquiry. Is the name on the account Dalton?
Yes.
I'll need to get someone else to help you with that. Please hold while I transfer you to a consultant who can help you. To ensure your experience is as smooth as possible, this call will be monitored or recorded. You are the next caller in the queue.
Okay guys, I just disconnected. So it took me about 1.5 minutes for them to pick up the phone. So I guess it's pretty easy to cancel out if you needed to. You know, sometimes you join a membership and once they got your credit card, you cannot get anyone on the phone to cancel out. So I do like that they picked up fairly simple and fairly quickly. I was curious myself as to how it works. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, thank you for stopping by and spending time with me. Until next time, ciao. Remember y'all, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Smooches until next time. Ciao.